Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in an interesting turn of events, Microsoft today had to kind of readjust the little controversy about the File Explorer with ads in it. And it is very interesting because what happened is that they came back and said, oh, we tested this, but that's not for Windows users in general. It's turned off. Haha. So why is it there if you never plan to use it? This is and has been for the past years one of the sides of Microsoft that is definitely not just annoying, but definitely showing that that company doesn't understand how they can annoy users terribly. And this is something that's been going on for a while now, and it's not fixed. It's obvious that there's some people at Microsoft that want to annoy us with ads and try to bring us to some of their own, projects and services terribly. It's funny because I get this, well, Windows is free. Well, how do you want them to pay? Windows is not free. Stop thinking that. It's never been. The amount of people that move from one version of Windows to the other for free is a very small percentage. Most people, the majority of people and of companies, pay a license. How do you pay for your license? When you buy that new PC with Windows pre-installed, you paid Windows. Windows was not free for that machine. It was sold by Microsoft at a discount price compared to what the users would pay to be installed. You're paying it. The company is pushing that amount in that amount that you paid for the machine. So when people tell me Windows is free, what do you want? It's not free, never was free. The percentage of people that got it for free from an upgrade is small. And even when Windows 10 arrived, oh, it's free. No, you paid Windows 7. It's not free. There's some fee in there that's kind of slipping towards Windows 10 and all. It's something that a lot of people think, oh, really, it's free. They're giving it free. No, they're not. You get a PC with no Windows on it. You're going to go and buy a Windows to get on that PC. And like I said, most people do not upgrade to another operating system. Most people buy a computer that has that new Windows on it. And the enterprise pay license based on the amount of computers used, and often as a subscription for using Windows. There's a reason why Windows is the third biggest cash cow of Microsoft. It still brings in dozens of billions of dollars every year. And that's because it's not free. So having ads in a operating system that most people, not all, but most people have paid, is a nonsense and shouldn't be there. So Microsoft backing off, visibly saying that, people are just probably have voiced their frustration so much that Microsoft said, okay, well, no, we're not going to do that. Forget it. People are not happy. So anyways, backing off, and that's a good thing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.